Okay, I got a big box today. I don't know if you can see me over it, but this is a radio I bought on eBay. It came from Las Vegas, but it got stuck in on New Year's Eve, on Christmas Eve. It got stuck over at Tracy and never left. So it showed up finally just yesterday. And I took about 5 bags of newspaper out of this thing. Okay. That took me long enough. I couldn't leave that out of the video. Of course, I don't know which way this goes, but it's a good sized radio. And yes, it's tubes, it's not transistors. Well, I thought we got a cabinet. Jeez. Can't tell if it's upside down, the right side up, or what right now. Let's see. Well, let's see. I think that's part of it. I think it's bottom. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What do we do with this thing? Tell you one thing, it was sure packed good. Wasn't taking any chances. This is good. I always like to see that from somebody rather than just throw it in a box and no padding or nothing. Which has happened more than once. Okay. This is actually a radio. And good thing is, see some stuff packing where the tube's supposed to go. And it's got 2 little drawers down there. And actually are functioning. And this covers the radio. There it goes. And there's a radio nestled inside there. So it was just an odd piece I had to pick up. It was on eBay with this woman that's down in Las Vegas, so she did a really nice job of packing it, I'll tell you that much. This is called the Spice Grist, whatever that means. But yeah, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. And luckily, she did pack where the tubes were, so I'm going to find out if the tubes are still there. It looks like she did a nice job. And the outlet cord's still there. Actually, it doesn't look too bad a shape. So how many tubes we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, 5-tube, American 5-tube radio. And on the ad, what it said was, radio stations come in, but makes a lot of hum. So what does that tell you? That means it's the electrolytics are fried in this thing. I really don't know when this was. I'm guessing around the 50s. I'm guessing probably around 1957. Okay. Yep, Guild Radio. Guild Radio and Television Company. That's what it says on the back plate it's got back there. So we got some stuff on it anyway. But yeah, so we shall see. And since poor old Chubby is no longer with us, I am going to go down to the SPCA. Me and my daughter are going to go down there on Saturday, and we'll see if we can find another companion for me. The house is just too empty without Chubby in here, or some dog. I have never, and I mean never, have lived anywhere without a pet in the house. Either cat or dog. Most of the time dog. In fact, I raised Shetland sheepdogs for back when I lived in California in San Jose. And so I did that for quite a few years. And of course, they've all deceased, they've been deceased. So I've lost a lot of good pets there. I've lost cats, I've lost hamsters, I've lost birds, you name it. I think I probably lost it. Just because I'm so old, I outlive everything. So for 75 years, everything disappears, and even people I went to school with, they're no longer with us. So, and I was normally older than they were. I was held back in the 2nd grade, and I started school actually when I was almost, over 5. So by the time I got to high school, I was almost 19 years old. So I was older than everybody else. Most of the others were 17 to 18. Not me. I was older than they were. And well, they were gone. So I don't know if that's good or bad, or if God misplaced me somewhere along the line. I don't know. Anyway, so I just want to show you that for right now. I'll get into this thing in another video. And let me see if I can get closer to the camera. Let's see here. Let's see if I can get some of the light on it. There we go. So that's what it looks like. And a Guild radio. I've never heard of this, but I think they're the same outfit that made the Town Crier radio that Radio Fixer does, or Jay does there. I think it's one of the same outfits that did that. Go around here. And there's the old tube line up. Every time you hear that noise, there's the drawers going forward. So yeah, nothing's rattling in here either. But it's got a tuning coil right there, antenna coil I should say. So yeah, it's in pretty good shape. We'll take it apart and look underneath the next time we do a video on it, and we'll see what's going on. And the other day I also got some turbo cans of paint. So when the weather gets warmer, I'm going to use the gray one. That's going to go on the truck because the hood's starting to chip. And then this other one, I'm going to use that on the very top of my Ford Explorer. All the paint on the rest of the car is fine, just on the very top. The paint is worn off and the clear coat is gone. It's only on there in patches. So I'll sand that down and paint it. And I do have some clear coat I can spray on there too. But that'll be another video. So anyway, that's what we got going on. Bye for now.